August 18th, 2024. Advanced birthday dinner with the family. On the way to Tagaytay.
Grabe yung foganism. Kita medyo.
Arrived at the new branch of Bag of Beans. Bag of Beans Antonio Charito.
Picture ako kayo. Toy, tingin ka sa camera. Smile.
Cheese. One lang, Japet. Wow!
Impressed naman siya kayo. Justify pa eh.
Wala naman. Ulit. Hoy. Si Japet tumitingin.
Dali, kain ka ng cake.
Kain ka ng cake, subo.
Tapos tingin ka sa camera. Chiro.
Laki na mata eh, oh.
Hoy, sino malaki mata? Si Chiro, si...
The food was so good, pet-friendly, a bit pricey, but worth it. It was enjoyable and relaxing to eat there, and the staff were really caring and understanding. I had fun celebrating my birthday in advance with my little family. August 20th, 2024. Quick dinner with just the three of us on the exact day of my birthday. We're back in Tagaytay. My husband secretly chose this place for our dinner celebration. We already went here before. It's pet-friendly, and the food and drinks are also good.
Hindi mo na malalagyan ng boses to, no? Mahal na mahal kita, Mi. Sobra, sobra. Oy, oy!
This is the Kubli Cafe located along Stara Rosa Tagaytay Road.
Uy, uy, uy. Mangi-snipe, mangi-snipe. Hello, food. Delicious seasoning.
Red knife.
Ano ba dapat?
Di ba ibang knife yun?
Ang laki dito yun, no? Para pa rin siyang cake. Ah, cake pa rin siya pero s'mores lang.
Oo nga. Loko.
I was not impressed with their s'mores cake during that time. But when we took it home, stored it in the fridge, and ate it cold the next day, we both loved its texture and flavor.
Wait lang, wala pa sa loob. Oo naman. Bakit? Asam yan.
Hindi.
Okay na.
Cutie the baby. Baby! Baby! Psst. Pengi.
Gusto ko pag hinahawakan niya, tapos parang...
Piso.
Cute na babe. Hindi mo pakali, oh. Hindi mo na kung gusto ng pagkain o ano. Baby. Baby. Ako din eh. Parang may ano sa loob. Parang may ano sa loob, nasa taas.
August 22, 2024. Day tour trip to Calatagan, Batangas to celebrate my fur baby and I's birthday.
Yan!
On the way to Batangas,
Grabe. Sa camera, maliwanag tignan eh. Pero hindi. Grabe, dito ka nag-aaral. Ay, dito ka. Ano sasakyan mo dito?
the entrance to Calatagan is just so nice. And there is this long road with trees on one side that is just mesmerizing to look at. Quick story. We came here before as friends and with friends. But now we are married and have our own little family with our fur baby.
Yan.
We ate breakfast at Kusina ni Ram in Calatagan's town proper. It's a cute little place decorated with a huge collection of Coca-Cola merchandise. We only tried breakfast meals, so I can't say much about their food. It was the usual Filipino meal. Then, before we head straight to the resort, we had to buy snacks in the town proper because there might not be a store there inside or near it.
Asan ang baby ko? Galagala yan. We're entering Manuel Uy Beach Resort. Ayan o. Oh. Dito?
Dito namin hanggang 5:30 lang po ng hapon.
Ano pa ito eh? Lupa. Pagdagat din.
Uwi na tayo.
2024.
Dito na kami. Ay, mga flowers. Yan. Gala. Dito mga flowers. May flowers. No park.
Eh, dami ng mga bangka eh.
Diyan lang naman yung mga bangka.
Saan ang parking?
Dun pa ata. Ay, look at this place. Isn't it neat? Si Bienvenido ko ay mabantit.
Manuel Uy Beach Resort is a camping type of resort. There are no facilities here except for the toilet and shower areas. You can bring your own tent or rent one from them, both with their respective fees. For our trip, we paid P150 per head for the entrance fee, P30 per head for the environmental fee, fee 500 to rent 2 to 3 packs tent, and P30 for one-day motorcycle parking fee. Pets have no entrance fee, but vaccination cards are required though.
Uy!
We had the best timing because it was a day before the long weekend, so the resort had very few guests. We took so long to set up the tent because it's my first time. I put the rod in the wrong hole 2 times. My husband knows how to do this. Luckily, he is a very patient and calm man.
Here is our tent.
Paliguan na ang batang pasaway. Uy! Ano ka ngayon? Maangas ka. Ligo ka ngayon. Maligo ka ngayon. Tanggalin ko. Na, maligo ka na.
Let's go.
Come here.
Sarap. Tubig.
Good boy. Come here na.
Kami na kay Mami. Wow! Baby! Kami ka, Mami.
Wala to, mahina to.
Let's go. Good boy. Come on. Good job! Good job! Good job! Balik siya siya.
Ano, tumawol ka ngayon. Yan ka tumawol. Sunkissed. Konti lang tao ngayon, guys.
Come on. Come here, come Mami.
Yan, wala na yung angas na asa namin na tahol ng tahol kanina pa.
Sa malalim.
Go!
Come on.
Ito na, dadalhin na ang aso sa malalim. Mabato siya ngayon. Well, mabato naman na ito talaga dati. And, tawag dito. Tawag dyan sa green. Tawag sa green, ni?
Albi?
Hindi. Tawag natin dyan yung lumot. Ayun, malumot. Sorry. May kahoy doon. Babaw pa din kahit ang layo na natin eh. Uy, di marunong lumangoy.
Bumabangkin eh.
Gusto niya dun eh.
Good boy.
Uy,
Pag lumili ko siya eh, no?
kaya niya kaya hanggang dun? Pagbabalik si baby. Oh.
Mapagod siya.
Pero alalayan naman natin. Wow, naman yan. Gusto mo gumala, di ba? Yan ka.
Ano, tapos balik na. Tapos para tayo naman lumangoy. Mahalungin ka naman.
Ito, okay lang. Sige lang. Panis. Panis.
Mapapadyak pa rin eh.
Tingalan-tingala nga rin siya eh. Ayun dun, ang dami pala nagtitent dun. Oh. Mas maano dun eh. Mas makulim.
Para malapit tayo sa motor.
Bagay.
Para may tago natin yung mga... Padyak ng padyak eh. Good boy, good boy.
Good boy.
Huh? Ano siya?
Wawa naman.
Ito na, ito na.
Kahoy dyan ah. Ayan, palangoy mo dyan. May hotdog na lumalangoy. Bim.
Dulas pa.
Park. Bigyan na ng treats. Bigyan na ng treats. Bigyan na ng treats.
Ano to? Hindi siya konektado sa tablet, no? Man-made lake.
Baka Pakistan.
Ganda. Bakit? Ito'y tanag. May tulay pa dun, no?
For lunch, we had to go out and drive to find the nearest carinderia we saw before reaching the resort. You can actually bring food and your cooking stuff without any corkage fee.
This is our area. Picture on the ano ba tawag doon? Sa the tulay area with the ano. Taas na, no? High tide na. And you can see it's not maaraw na. If I can just there, oh. It looks like there's a fog na naman. It is not a fog because it's not cold, but it's not too hot. Baby, no. Uy, there's many crabs here. Very little crabs. Me. And then we're gonna take a picture here.
2018. Friends pa lang tayo. Ngayon, 2024. Balik natin dito. Magpapakawalan tayo.
Dami sinasabi. Akala mo talaga siya. Akala mo hindi siya nagtingin-tingin ng mga babae nakabikini dito.
Ano?
Ha?
Hotdog ka.
Here. Ay, dat pala. Ang ano, no?
Kaya nga sabi siya sa gitna.
Eh, kasi nag-video ako eh.
At ito na po ang ating dugong. Ang ating dugong. Na may leopard skin. Kanta.
Kinagat ng 7 line. Kinagat ng 7 line.
Lulubog na. Ay! Lulubog na ang cellphone.
Mi, lapit na talaga. Talaga. Mi!
Ay!
Kulit mo.
Psst. Bark! 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 Iyak. Iyak ka na lang. Bark! Ayaw mo naman. Bark!
Hoy, pasaway. Shh. Yan. Pasaway.
At kalawang.
Uwi na kami na maaga dahil mavag na naman ang Philippines.
Iyak na naman tayo. Bag, ganun.
Bye-bye.
It was a short but fun trip for our little family. It's actually our first time to go on a vacation this 2024 because of some challenges the first half of the year. We are grateful to God for being so faithful despite those challenges. Thank God for this getaway too. Again, this road is so lovely. This is a funny clip because we thought that we are taking a video of ourselves with the Arch of Calatagan, but it was just a barangay's name. Then, we were not able to record one with the right arch because it started raining heavily.
Happy birthday.
August 24th, 2024. Vian's exact birthday. We gave him an exciting dinner. Disclaimer: we do not give him this much food on the daily. We watch his diet very carefully.
Happy birthday. See? Real beef. Yes. With a little bit of water and rice for soup.
Kain ka na. Wait.
Wait. Wait. Good boy. Happy birthday, baby! Batiin mo anak mo!
Happy birthday, baby!
If you reached this far into the video, thanks for watching. I hope you loved seeing our memories captured the way I do. See you next time.